Struggling to make the most of your small space? These genius space-saving furniture pieces and gadgets are designed to transform even the tiniest apartment into a functional, organized dream. From foldable finds to hidden storage solutions, every item is built to help you live large, no matter the size of your space. All links are listed in the description below. Tall cabinets aren't always friendly. This pull-down spice rack changes that. Mounted inside your cabinet, it glides down smoothly to bring all your spices right to eye level. No more tiptoes or digging through cluttered shelves. The 3-tier layout gives everything a clear spot, and the sturdy iron frame holds more than just spices. Think sauces, condiments, or even small bottles. It's sleek, strong, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Running out of drawer space for your socks and underwear? This wall-mounted storage box gives them a dedicated home without using up any floor or dresser space. No tools needed, just peel, stick, and organize. It's surprisingly versatile too, working great for plastic bags, small towels, or random odds and ends. The open-top design means no folding, just drop items in and go. Tight on bathroom space? This slim organizer is built to slide into narrow gaps and make the most of every inch. With transparent drawers, waterproof plastic, and smooth wheels, it's perfect for storing toiletries, kitchen goods, or laundry supplies. No tools, no assembly, just unpack and start organizing. The modern design fits anywhere, and the sturdy frame holds more than you'd expect without wobbling or warping. Sweaters looking a little tired? This fabric shaver brings them back to life in seconds. With 6 sharp blades spinning at high speed, it zips through pilling and fuzz without snagging your clothes. It even works on furniture and blankets. The digital display shows battery life, and the large lint bin means fewer cleanouts. It's sleek, cordless, and surprisingly powerful for such a compact little gadget. If your vanity's a mess of lipsticks, brushes, and tangled jewelry, this sleek beauty case might just save your mornings. It packs in slide-out compartments, a dedicated jewelry section, and a built-in mirror with a soft-touch LED light. Everything's visible, splash-proof, and easy to wipe down. Whether you're getting ready at home or on the go, it keeps all your essentials organized in one stylish, portable setup. Need a travel bag that doesn't hog closet space? This foldable suitcase expands for full-size storage when you're on the move, then collapses down flat when you're not. Its 360-degree wheels glide smoothly, even through tight spaces, and the lightweight yet tough build holds up to bumpy trips. Ideal for small apartments or minimalists who travel often and hate clutter. If you're after next-level comfort without the complicated setup, this adjustable bed base might just be your new favorite upgrade. It lets you raise your head or feet with a quiet motor and a wireless remote, perfect for late-night reading, relaxing, or keeping snoring in check. The tool-free assembly takes minutes, and the height-adjustable legs even give you bonus storage space underneath. Trash sorting doesn't have to look like a mess. This clever 3-tier bin packs a surprising 42 liters into a sleek, space-saving design. The top holds 2 compartments for separating wet and dry waste, while the middle drawer stores tools or bags. The bottom tier? Another bin ready for whatever you toss its way. With wheels, a foot pedal, and easy lift liners, it's tidy, smart, and fits anywhere. Grocery runs just got way more efficient. This folding shopping trolley rolls smooth, folds fast, and carries a surprising load without breaking a sweat. The double basket setup keeps your produce and heavy items separate. No more squished bananas next to laundry detergent. With 360-degree swivel wheels and a strong brake system, it glides through tight spaces and stays put when you need it to. When you're done, fold it flat and stash it away. Why stay stuck at a desk when your workspace can roll with you? This overbed mobility table slides smoothly on wheels and adjusts in height and width to fit beds, couches,